Akong basahon ang mga project ni President Rodrigo Roa Duterte under his administration, no, sa 6 years. Builds flagship program investing 8 trillion in infrastructure development. Roads dunay 29,264 kilometer constructed, rehabilitated, including EDSA rehabilitation and X-Lex Connector Road, ang Tarlac Pangasinan La Union Expressway. Ang airports no dunay 214 ka project na human, kauban ang Clark International Airport expansion, ang Mactan Cebu International Airport renovation, ang Bohol Panglao International Airport. Ang mga tulay dunay 5,950 constructed o girehabilitate nga mga tulay kauban sama sa Estrella Pantaleon Bridge, Binondo Intramuros Bridge, ang public transportation modernization sa jeepneys, expansion sa Metro Rail Transit, ang Philippine National Railways rehabilitation. Sa economic reforms, dunay tax reforms sa acceleration and inclusion, i-reduce ang personal income tax rates. Ikaduha, dunay tarification law, i-liberalize ang pag-import sa mga bugas. Number 3, ang Free Irrigation Act, provided nog libreng irrigation ngadto sa mga mag-uuma. Ang pagbuhat og simplified business registration processes sa kanang within 72 hours. Ang Foreign Investment Act, nag-relax ang mga foreign investment restrictions. Okay. Ang education and healthcare, dunay free college education, institutionalized free tuition in state universities and colleges. Ang universal healthcare, automatic enrollment sa tanang Pilipino sa government health insurance program kani nawala ni ron. So reproductive health law, full implementation of reproductive health services. K-12 program, continued implementation of the enhanced basic education health facilities enhancement program. And peace and security, ang Bangsamoro Organic Law, no, wala na gubat ang Mindanao, Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020, gipalig-on ang National Task Force to End Local Communist Armed Conflict, NTF LCAC, mo ning hinungdang nga kaporting gubuta ron sa mga terorista nga NPA, ang Marawi City Rehabilitation, Military Modernization, siya lang nakapa-modernize, no? So sa social welfare for peace, unconditional cash transfer, tulong trabaho, social pension for indigent seniors. Boracay, Manila Bay Rehabilitation, National Gaming Program.